Let's make it simple. Imagine a lemonade stand. You sell a cup of lemonade for $1, but it costs you 50 cents to make. You keep the 50 cents, that's the profit. All businesses work like this, whether small or huge. They create something of value and sell it for more than it costs. That's the essence of any business model. But not all business models are the same. Sometimes the first sip is free to get you hooked, or maybe the lemonade is only sold to other businesses instead of everyday customers. As we go through this video, you will see how companies use different strategies to make money in different ways. The business model is essentially a blueprint for turning an idea into a profitable venture. It answers three questions: who are the customers, what value do we provide them, and how does the business capture some of that value as revenue? Understanding the business model helps you see not just what a company sells, but why it sells it in a certain way and how it generates income sustainably. Every model is a different approach to solving customers' problems and capturing value. B2B stands for business to business. Companies using this model sell products or services to other companies rather than individual consumers. For example, Salesforce provides software that helps other businesses manage their customer relationships. Slack sells tools that allow teams to communicate efficiently. The main advantage of B2B is that deals are often bigger and longer term, which can provide stability. But the downside is that sales processes are usually more complex and it can take a long time to close a deal. B2C means business to consumer. Here, companies sell directly to everyday people like you and me. Amazon sells books, electronics, and almost everything else directly to consumers. Starbucks sells coffee to people walking by. Apple sells iPhone through its stores and online. The advantage of B2C is access to a large market and strong brand recognition. The challenge is that consumers' preferences can change quickly and marketing costs are often high to attract and retain them. The subscription model charges customers regularly, like monthly or yearly, for access to a product or service. Netflix charges a monthly fee for streaming shows, Spotify charges for ad-free music, and Adobe Creative Cloud charges for software tools like Photoshop. Subscriptions provide predictable, recurring revenue. The company can count on a steady stream of income as long as customers keep subscribing. But the challenge is maintaining quality and engagement, because if customers aren't happy, they can cancel at any time. Affiliate models let you earn money by promoting someone else's products. You receive a commission whenever a purchase is made through your referral. For example, bloggers or YouTubers can earn money through Amazon Associates when their audience clicks a link and makes a purchase. This model is great because it requires very little upfront investment. You don't need your own product. The risk is that your income depends entirely on the success of the products you are promoting. In this model, the business earns money by taking a percentage of every transaction between two parties. Uber takes a cut of each ride. Airbnb takes a service fee for bookings. eBay charges sellers a fee for items sold. This model scales easily because more transactions equal more revenue. But it depends on activity. If users don't buy, sell, or book, the business doesn't earn. The razor and blades model sells the main product cheaply and makes a profit on consumables or add-ons. Gillette sells low-cost razors but expensive replacement blades. HP sells printers at a low price but charges high for ink cartridges. The advantage is recurring revenue from repeat purchases. The challenge is that profits rely on continued consumption. Many companies combine this with subscriptions to guarantee steady income. Licensing allows a company to let others use its intellectual property for a fee. Disney licenses characters like Mickey Mouse to toy manufacturers. Software companies license patents or programs to other firms. The advantage is earning revenue without producing the product yourself. The challenge is maintaining quality and protecting your brand identity. The freemium model gives a product for free but charges for premium features. Spotify lets users listen for free with ads or pay for an ad-free experience. Zoom offers free calls with limits and paid plans for more features. Freemium attracts large audiences quickly. The challenge is converting free users to paying customers to make the model profitable. A franchise lets others run a business using your brand. McDonald's expands quickly because local franchisees operate the stores. Subway does the same. The advantage is fast growth without managing every location yourself. The challenge is ensuring consistent quality and customer experience across all franchises. Pay-as-you-go models charge customers only for what they actually use. Cloud storage like AWS charges based on usage. Electric scooters or utilities also follow this approach. The advantage is fairness and flexibility for customers. The challenge is unpredictable revenue since income fluctuates with usage. Brokerage models connect buyers and sellers and take a commission. eBay allows people to sell products and earns a fee on each sale. Stockbrokers charge a commission on trades. The advantage is low inventory risk since the business doesn't own the goods. The challenge is staying competitive. Fees can be driven down by rival platforms. As we've seen, businesses have many ways to make money, but the models all revolve around two questions: who are we serving and how do we capture value? Some businesses sell directly to consumers, while others focus on other businesses. Some build recurring relationships like subscription services or freemium models, keeping customers engaged over time. Others grow by letting others use their brand or intellectual property like franchises or licensing deals. Certain models encourage repeat purchases like razor and blades, while others make money by connecting buyers and sellers and taking a cut, like commission or brokerage models. Pay-as-you-go and on-demand services focus on flexibility and convenience, charging only for what customers use. No matter the approach, the goal is the same: create value for customers and capture some of that value as revenue. Companies often combine models to grow faster, reach new audiences, or stabilize their income.